I not only appreciate this, but I understand it. Because in his loneliness, we know that there is something that needs a balance within a human being. I myself tried to engage in some small and modest way with various socio-civic efforts for the blind and the mentally retarded and physically handicapped, also for schools and institutions. But I have never in my whole career seen one single individual take up so much on himself and do it with such finesse, with such with such grace, and with such astounding success. I consider it a pride and a privilege to pay a glowing tribute, an unstinted glowing tribute, if I may add, to a fellow performer. Because this will leave him a much greater man. And this effort will go down in the history of the growth of a cricketer and a sportsman. He is setting a shining example, a glittering example for not only the people of Pakistan, but all those people who take to sports or some kind of service that brings them a lot of adulation. This is his way of returning that debt. मैं खुशनसीब थी वो माँ जिसकी कोख से ऐसा बच्चा इस कदर हसीन और इस कदर शुजात वाला लड़का बच्चा पैदा हुआ जिसके इतने बुलंद इरादे हैं। और खुशनसीब है आप सब पाकिस्तान के रहने वाले, इमरान के अजीज व अकारिब, कि उनके अंदर एक इस कदर शुजात वाला, हिम्मत वाला एक शख्स है जो बॉलिंग करते करते, बैटिंग करते करते अपने आप को कहां से कहां ले आया है। इस ऊंची मंजिल पर इमरान साहब, हमारी दुआएं हैं कि अल्लाह ताला का करम आपके शामिल हाल हो, उसकी वो रोशन करे आपके हर कदम के रास्ते को, आपको सुरखरू करे।